how to connect microphone to BandLab on your PC or laptop. Let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is connect your microphone to your PC or laptop. Then once you've done that, let's head into Settings. So click on your Windows, then type in Settings. So head into System Settings. Then from here, click into System on the System tab. Then click on Sound. Then from here, it will say Output and Import. So under Input, this is where your microphone is. Choose the microphone you want to use. So for this demonstration, I'm using my Fine microphone, so make sure that is set. You can click into it and play around with the settings. You can also do a test here to make sure your microphone works. So then once you've selected your microphone, now let's head back into bandlab.com in their studio here. And now what we need to do is click onto where it says bandlab.com. Click on the little button next to it, then make sure microphone is enabled. And then you can also allow on every visit too. So you don't have to keep enabling your microphone on this website on BandLab. Then from here, go ahead and click on Add Track Voice Audio, and then start recording using your voice like so. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.